Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can highlight your images or videos on CapCutPC. So I'm just going to create this animation. I'm just going to zoom in to the place I want to highlight basically. So I'm just going to highlight this bit. I'm just going to select this image and add it on top. Then also going to rotate that as well, and I'm just going to place it here. Turn off uniform scale and just enable adjust the scale height and width. Go to blend mode and also choose linear burn. I'm also going to make this a little bit longer like the image, and this as well. Then I'm going to go to mask. I'm going to select split. Then I'm going to add a keyframe at the beginning, and I'm going to place the line so that it's gone, like the highlight. And at the end, you're going to place it so the highlight appears. Oops. Then you're going to add in another keyframe at the beginning of that video. And then you're just going to move this to another place if you want to highlight that. And I'm thinking about freezing the frame. Am I able to do that or not? Okay, I'm not able to do that for some reasons. So I'm just going to copy and paste it. And here, I'm going to start again, but I'm going to adjust the scale and width. So I'm just going to delete the keyframes actually. Why isn't this showing up? Okay, let me just grab another of this. And then let's just do the same thing. I'm just going to do it on the beautiful one here. And then turn off uniform scale and then adjust the width and the height again. Trying to rotate it so it's kind of okay. There you go. Go to blend mode and select linear burn again, and then go to mask, and then you're going to do the same thing again. Select split, add a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end you're going to want to move it here. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!